So, organ system. System means collection of different organs. For example, our circulatory system, which is made up of the heart, veins, arteries, capillaries, and lymph. They are individual organs but put together forms the circulatory system. The nervous system, consisting of the neurons, the brain, the spinal cord, the peripheral neural system, the autonomous neural system. So, all organs put together forms a system. The reproductive system, if you consider a female reproductive system, which consists of the ovary, the fallopian tube, the uterus, and different layers of uterus, the perimetrium, the myometrium, the endometrium, all put together forms the female reproductive system. So in a system, there is a collection of different type of organs. Now, organ system, different type of organ system put together, circulatory system, digestive system, nervous system, excretory system, put together would form an organism. So, organism can be considered to be a species. Now, group of organism, a group of one species would form a population. So population is a collection of one particular species. For example, a population of bacteria, a population of virus, a population of human being. So always keep this in mind, population is made up of a group of individuals of one particular species. And when different populations put together, for example, population of bacteria, population of virus, population of human beings, when you put different populations together, it forms a community. Right? So community is a collection of different populations, or you can say community is a collection of different individual species. Now, group of different communities would constitute the ecosystem.
Sorry, screen bando.
So, group of community forms the ecosystem, the basis of today's topic. So, ecosystem is a collection of different community, right? And group of ecosystem would form the biome. So, biome is a collection of different ecosystems. So, broadly, ecosystems are of two types: the aquatic ecosystem and the terrestrial ecosystem. Now, aquatic ecosystem is further of two types: the freshwater ecosystem, the marine water ecosystem. Freshwater ecosystem further of two types: the stagnant water and the running water. Whereas the marine ecosystem consists of three types: the oceans, the estuaries, and the coral reefs. So basically there are broadly 5 different types of aquatic ecosystems. They are stagnant water, running water, oceans, estuary, and coral reefs. Though there are further bifurcation and trifurcations, but broadly there are 5. And if you talk about the terrestrial ecosystems, there are again broadly of 5 types: the mountains, the forest, the grassland, the desert, and the tundras. So desert are the hot desert, tundra are the cold deserts. So in totality, there are 10 different types of ecosystems. Now all these ecosystems put together would form the biome. So India is a biome because India has collection of different ecosystems. Because in India we have the desert in Thar, We have the cold desert in the Siachen glaciers or Tawang valleys. We have the mountains, we have the plains, we have the grasslands, we have every possible ecosystem, oceans, estuary, coral reefs, we have everything with us. So India is a biome. Now the question arises, what leads to the formation of different type of ecosystem? In order to understand this particular concept, we have to go back to geography. We have to see what is the shape of the earth, what is the tilt of the earth, and what this tilt and shape does. Now that would give us a great idea about the formation of different ecosystems, because not all ecosystems are similar. If you see a Thar desert and a Siachen glacier, they both are deserts, but they are drastically apart.
रोकनी पड़ेगी